Y'all already know Rap City, BT, Busta Rhymes, Chamillionaire, we in the building. Big Bang style, that's how we do it. Camilitary Entertainment, Flip Mode Entertainment. I'm already gonna put y'all on. Y'all know what it is once we in the booth. We gotta set it. I'm gonna let my man Camilitary's Entertainment CEO, Chamillionaire, get on and blast off real quick. Take it from here.
Chill. Let's do this, OG Ron C. Let me get serious on him. Hold up, man. I don't even smoke, but I'm finna smoke him. Gia, Chamillionaire. I open vibe in the double XL, and the writer in there said that you'd have trouble to sell. Trouble to sell. How could I have trouble? Cause hell, I dropped the sound of revenge and I like doubled the sales. You thought I'd fall off, forgive me. The sound of success, yeah, that's next. Pop up in my video, throwing my rocks up like I'm Aztec. You got your ass wrecked. Seen the size of my last check. Figures in my wallet, got it green enough to match Shrek. Crime did it too. Couple of my screws is kinda loose. Talking that like they had bodyguards behind they booth. See me out and pat me on the back like Mama Seuss. Cat in the hat, rap, save all that for Mama Seuss. The price is high, couldn't get half of a hooker book ya. Wouldn't go out and try to purchase half a hooker with ya. I have my other brother see ya in the hood, you butcher. Had some white boys jump out the bushes like Ashton Kutcher. Put your money on it and I'll win it like I want it. Take money that used to be yours and go spend it like I own it, man. Cause you know that you gon' only matter for the moment. If you're gangster, matter of fact, you don't matter till you've shown it. My convicts are entertained like Akon and T-Pain. I run with Akon, they got an arm for T-Pain. Show you the Batman like that boy was B. Wayne. Your grill laying on the bloody part of a sheet stain. Contain yourself, wouldn't care if you drank a jug or not. Hop out the drop and run you over like a juggernaut. Do not care how many cousins that your cousin got. Twist you up till they can't fix you like that puzzle box. Lames complain about the state of the game, then do the same as the lames and they go cater to dames. When Wu-Tang was the thing, boys was braided with fangs. When the West Coast was the thing, boys went dating insane. Now the truth is they say I love your grill, and they stutter when they see me as Camille. Bandanas, bananas, enough ones to peel, enough guns for real. Your guts will spill.
Endless bars, real lyricists, real MCs, Rap City, raw, uncut, filthy under the nail, hip-hop. You understand what it is? You understand what we do? You know who he be. Chamillionaire, Busta Rhymes, you know what it is. Military, Flip Mode Entertainment, Rap City, you know what it is.
Be right back, baby.
Roll the dice. Name one nigga you heard his night. Leave that shook, no poltergeist. Drew straight hand, bitch, hold the ice. And the watch look like I froze it twice. That's real shit, bitch, real thick. So thick you thought I built a bitch. Whip real sick, and the wheel tip so big I can hide your shit.